Imagine turning just $100 into the beginning of real wealth. Not by gambling or becoming rich overnight, but using everyday investing strategies. In this video, I'll show you how beginners can start investing with only $100, step by step. Welcome back to the channel. If you want smarter money habits and investing tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Here's the biggest myth about investing. Most people think you need thousands of dollars to begin, but that's completely false. Years ago, investing was for wealthy people. But today, apps let anyone start with as little as $1. The real problem isn't money, it's fear. People fear losing money or think investing is too complicated. They wait for the perfect time. But the truth is simple. The earlier you start, the better. Person A starts at age 20. Person B starts at age 30. Even if Person B invests more money later, Person A often ends up richer because of compound growth. This is why investing early matters so much. Your money starts making money. Then that money starts making even more money. That's how wealth grows. Compound growth example. A equals P, 1 plus, R, N, caret, NT. The first thing you need is an investing app or brokerage account. In America, some of the most popular beginner apps are these. These apps let you buy stocks, invest in ETFs, track your money, and start with small amounts. Most accounts take less than 10 minutes to open. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is buying random stocks they saw on TikTok or YouTube. That's dangerous. Instead, beginners should focus on long-term investing. A smarter option is investing in something called the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is a collection of America's biggest companies. Examples include Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia. When you invest in an S&P 500 ETF, you own tiny pieces of many companies at once. That lowers your risk. So here's a beginner example. You have $100. You could invest $70 into an S&P 500 ETF. You could invest $20 into a tech ETF. You could invest $10 into learning and books. The key is consistency. Even investing $50 or $100 every month can grow massively over time. Most poor people spend money first and invest later. Rich people invest first. That's the difference. When wealthy people receive income, they buy assets, invest into businesses, and grow passive income. Meanwhile, most people buy liabilities like expensive phones, luxury clothes, and things that lose value. Real wealth comes from ownership. Here are the biggest investing mistakes beginners make. Mistake number 1. Trying to get rich fast. Mistake number 2. Selling during market crashes. Mistake number 3. Following hype online. Mistake number 4. Investing money they can't afford to lose. And mistake number 5. Never starting at all. Investing is not a lottery ticket. It's a long-term game. The goal is consistency. Imagine investing $100 every month for 10 years into strong investments. That habit alone can completely change your future. This is why time is more powerful than trying to predict the market. If you're watching this right now thinking, I only have $100. That's okay. Every investor starts somewhere. The biggest mistake is waiting forever. Start small, learn slowly, stay consistent. Because one smart financial decision today can completely change your future. Investing is not a lottery ticket. It's a long-term game. The goal is consistency. Imagine investing $100 every month for 10 years into strong investments. That habit alone can completely change your future. This is why time is more powerful than trying to predict the market. If you're watching this right now and thinking, I only have $100. That's okay. Every investor starts somewhere. The biggest mistake is waiting forever. Start small, learn slowly, stay consistent. Because one smart financial decision today can completely change your future.